Hi, in front of me is HTC 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Connected Devices and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher. Then tap Pair New Device and click on the device that you want to connect to, for example that one. Tap Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!